Hi guys. Okay, we're going to go over our mystery number math page that is found in your flexible instruction day packet number 4. Okay, this is the one I told you to put to the side this morning so that I can go over this with you so you know what to do. This is a little bit more difficult than the last one that we had like this, a mystery number page. This one has a little bit more to think about to find out what our numbers are going to represent, okay? All right, so in the box at the top of your page, okay, all I did was copy those two equations and your less than greater than problem, okay? These numbers have to fit all three of these criteria in order to be the correct number, all right? So if I look at my criteria, I have octagon times star has to equal 32. Then in my middle here, where my less than and greater than is, I needed my octagon to be less than my star. And in the last one, I need my star, when added to my octagon, to equal 12. Okay? So let's take a look at our multiplication fact. Now, with our less than or greater than, my octagon is going to be a less than number than my star. So we got to think of smaller numbers for my octagon. Okay. If I say 1, I would have 1 times 32 equals 32. However, when I add them, 32 plus 1 equals 33. That's very much bigger than my 12. So let's think about a different number. How about 2? Okay. Well, if I think about my 2 as in my octagon, my star is going to have to be 10 because 10 plus 2 equals 12. However, if I put a 2 here and a 10 here, 2 times 10 is 20. It's not going to work. Okay. Now, what I know about 3's, okay, I can count by 3's. Do I hit 32? Okay, so let's count by 3's. Count with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. Oops, went too far. Okay, how about a 4? Let's try 4. Okay, so do you think anything times 4 equals 32? Very good, 8. So let's see if that works. Before I put my numbers in my shapes, let's go over here and see if those numbers work and fit the criteria for here. So is 4 less than 8? Sure is. How about over here? 8 plus 4 equal 12? Sure does. Okay, so now we figured out our numbers. So octagons are 4, stars are 8. So 4 is less than 8, and 8 plus 4 equals 12. Great job, guys. That was fantastic. All right, so now what you need to do, not right now, later on after I'm done, go through and fill in all your octagons with 4's and all your stars with 8. But before you do that, I'm going to do a couple of them with you. So let's jump to number 7. So number 7 says 5 times star divided by star. Well, we know that star is 8, put an 8 in there, and another 8, okay? Now remember when we did this page last time, we needed to follow the order of operations. Remember step 1, multiply and divide from left to right. Then step 2, add and subtract from left to right. So if I look in my number 7, I have a multiplication and a division. Okay, there's no adding, there's no subtracting, so I don't even have to worry about step 2. I just have to worry about step 1. And it says to multiply, divide from left to right. Well, if I look here, my first problem would be a multiplication problem. Okay, so 5 times 8 equals 40. Excellent, guys. So 40. Then you can bring down your divide by 8. 40 divided by 8 equals, well, look, 5. Okay, that one wasn't too bad, right? All right, let's jump to number 15. So I have a star minus 2 times octagon. So stars are 8 and octagons are 4s. So go ahead and stick those numbers in your shapes. Now we have a subtraction problem and a multiplication problem. Now we have to follow our order of operations. First, do your multiplication division from left to right. Good job. So I look on here, I skip my subtraction, I go to my multiplication. So I have to do 2 times 4 equals 8. Now you can bring down your 8 minus if you'd like, or you can keep it up there and just think. But remember, I want to see what you do first. So like your 40's got to be there, and this 8 has got to be there, okay? So now I do 8 minus 8. That equals 0. Good job, guys. All right, last one that I'm going to do for you today, or with you today, is number 18. Okay, so we have star plus star times octagon minus octagon. So star, put your 8 in there, plus star, which is an 8, times octagon, which is a 4, minus octagon, which is a 4. Okay, so let's take a look here. We have to follow our order of operations. So we have a plus sign, a multiplication sign, and a minus sign. Which one is going to happen first? Multiplication. Good job. So I look at my multiplication sign, and on the left side of it is an 8, and on the right side of it is a 4. So 8 times 4 is 32. Good job. Okay, now I have a plus sign on the left, and I have a minus sign on the right. So I did my multiplication and my division. They're done. Go to step 2. Add and subtract from left to right. So I just go from left to right now. So 8 plus 32. Good job. 40. And then minus 4. 36. Okay? Good job, guys. All right, so you have to remember the order of operations to complete this page. All right, so when we're done, fill in your stars as 8s and your octagons as 4s, and then do the problems. Okay, guys? All right, good luck. Remember, any questions or concerns, please let me know. All right, guys. Bye.